best split-screen PS4 and PS5 games of 2024. The best split-screen PS4 and PS5 games give you the chance to play some top-level games along your nearest and dearest. While plenty of great PS4 and PS5 games provide multiplayer components, games that offer split-screen functionality are becoming increasingly rare. There are a lot of good reasons for this, involving the fact that split-screen multiplayer modes are more intensive on hardware, and the demand has compressed, as many people prefer online gaming to couch co-op anyway. Meanwhile, split-screen games offer a unique cooperative or competitive experience, as you can go anywhere and do anything you need, but bring your preferred partner along for the ride. Here are the best split-screen PS4 and PS5 games you can purchase today. Borderlands, the Handsome Collection. If you've never heard about Borderlands, it's a game series of wickedly funny looter shooters with some of the best co-op play on PlayStation consoles. In this game, you play as a vault hunter, importantly an intergalactic treasure hunter, roaming the harsh planet of Pandoria on the hunt for all the loot you can gather your hands on. Borderlands, the Handsome Collection on PS4 gets both Borderlands 2 and Borderlands the pre-sequel, and both let 2, 3, or 4 players share a local split screen. It Takes Two. It Takes Two is an action-adventure game that's all about partnership. You play as Cody and May, a married couple on the edge of divorce who got trapped in their daughter's handmade dolls and must work together to search for a way back to their human bodies. Tekken 8. Tekken 8 may not exactly bring the whole family together in one place through cooperative partnership. It's majorly more fun fighting against somebody on the same couch than facing computer-controlled AI or fighting online where a weak connection can unexpectedly ruin a bout. Divinity Original Sin 2. Main role-playing games are developed for solo play, but the Divinity Original Sin series confirmed that digital role-playing can be even more satisfying when you've got a buddy right by your side. Divinity Original Sin 2 is one of the best PS4 RPGs overall, and it's also one of the most enjoyable split-screen experiences on the console. Don't Starp Together. Don't Starp is one of the games that guide you through its elements right up front. The premise of this relatively straightforward game is simple: survive. You're thrown into a harsh world in a place teeming with beasts, adverse weather conditions, and hostile terrain, and you're required to set about finding shelter and food, and eventually weapons that will let you confront the monsters surrounding you.